everyone, how are you all? Hope all of you doing well and attending online classes. Today we are discussing the famous poem named Taj Mahal, written by Rabindranath Tagore. Have you heard about Rabindranath Tagore? He is an Indian writer, Bengali writer, and who wrote our national anthem. He also received Nobel Prize in Literature for his masterpiece Geetanjali. The short poem Taj Mahal is taken from the lengthy poem named Shah Jahan written by Rabindranath Tagore. You know Taj Mahal? Taj Mahal is one of the seven wonders of the world. It was built by Shah Jahan for the memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz. Taj Mahal is situated on the banks of river Yamuna in the city of Agra. Taj Mahal. You knew Emperor of India Shah Jahan, that life, youth, wealth, renown all float away down the stream of time. Your only dream was to preserve forever your heart's pain. The harsh thunder of imperial power would fade into sleep, like a sunset crimson splendor, but it was your hope that at least a single eternally heaved sigh would stay to grieve the sky. Though emeralds, rubies, pearls are all but as the glitters of rainbow trickling out empty air, and must pass away. Yet still one solitary tear would hang on the cheek of time in the form of this white and gleaming Taj Mahal. Now let's enter into the poem. The poem Taj Mahal is celebration of love between Shah Jahan and his beloved wife Mumtaz. The poem also talk about transience of power and glory. The meaning of transience is momentary. It means stay only for a short period of time. In this poem, Tagore suggests that power, wealth and glory all faded away in the passing of time. So, Shah Jahan built Taj Mahal to preserve the love for his wife Mumtaz. Shah Jahan is died. He is no more. His empire is no more. His kingly is no more. His life has vanished like a dream. Tagore compares Shah Jahan's life to the sunset. Let's look at how he compares the life of Shah Jahan with sunset. The sunset also fade away soon. The beautiful color of the sunset is only momentary. It will end soon. Here you can see a word crimson. It means dark red or deep red color during sunset. You know what is a simile? Simile is a figure of speech. It is the comparison with us or like. I will give you an example. My love is like a red rose. Here A is used to connect these two words, so it can be considered as a simile. In the next stanza of the poem, the poet says to Shah Jahan, the eternally heaved sigh would stay to grieve the sky. Here, the word eternally means forever. It doesn't have an end. Sigh means deep breath. Through this line, the poet conveys that his sadness even makes the sky also sad. In the next line, you can see the poet is talking about precious stones like ruby, emerald, and pearls. Through these lines, the poet means that the rainbow decorates the sky. These precious stones are also using for decoration, and all must pass us away. In the last stanza of the poem, you can see that the poet is describing about eternal art, the eternal art of Taj Mahal. Shah Jahan died and his beloved wife Mumtaz died, but the art Taj Mahal is still existing. This is the power of art. The work of art is the existence forever. The poem is end here. Hope you all understood the poem. Read and enjoy the poem.